Ever wanted a proper British accent in your AI podcast, but all you get is this?
All right, ready to dive deep. Today we're tackling the history of England.
But what if it was something like this?
It's not about what we have or what we achieve, but about how we experience each moment.
That's the magic of Jellypod. You can create customizable hosts and fully customizable episodes. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and create a podcast. I'm going to click Create New. I'm going to call this A Bloke's Almanac, a podcast about British life. I'm going to find the host I made recently, Timothy Barnwell, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Create Podcast. First major step, you make the podcast. No episode has been created yet. Next, I'll make an episode. You can start from a blank episode outline. You can put in any sort of thoughts into the text entry, or you can add URLs or files. I'm going to go ahead and add a few URLs as my source material. We've got an upcoming storm, and we've got some political news that I'm going to throw in here. As you can see here, you can add them quickly and then press create. All right. First step in the creation flow, episode outline. This is where you make sure the narrative is just the way you like it. What's cool is you can move around these chapters. You can add new ones. Also, every chapter you add or delete, you can control how long the podcast will be. So now that I'm happy with the story arc, I'm going to press generate script. All right. And here's the final step. Confirming that we like the transcript. This is the last big step of customization. You can highlight any text here. You can delete it. You can edit it. You can even add new speech blocks. Completely up to you. This transcript looks great. I'm going to hit generate audio. And now we've got the audio complete. Now I can go ahead and give it a listen.
So, Marcus Rashford. For years, right, he's been this standout player for Manchester United.
I won't have you listen to the entire podcast, but you can listen to the whole thing, confirm it's good. You can share it with anyone you'd like before publishing. And then the final step, publish episode. Once you hit this, it goes off to your RSS feed and hits Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, and anywhere else you want to distribute. Just like that, an AI podcast with British co-hosts.